I want to bring you back to this idea of perspective still. If I lose perspective, if I lose the perspective that I am the created ant, well, human, but really I'm not much bigger than an ant. When you look at the universal aspect, how big the universe is, I'm like less than an ant, really. That's how I'm small in comparison to the universe. Of course, when I say I'm just using my physical body here, because actually your soul can be much bigger than your physical body is, depending on its development. But if we're just looking at physical form, I, as a human, am much, much smaller than the universe around me, and I need to have perspective. I need to have perspective. If God is infinite and God created this huge, huge thing that I can't even grasp intellectually how large it is, and I live in it, then I must be less than God is. Right? And this is a very important thing to remember for your life. It's when you try to make yourself equal to God or greater to God that you're going to run into most of your problems. And one of the ways we, as humans, make ourselves equal to God or greater than God is by creating our own law and living by that. This is one of the ways in which we dishonour God, actually, and in the process cause a lot of trouble for ourselves. And that's because we've lost perspective. You could say losing perspective is arrogance. Can you see that? It's becoming arrogant. And many of us don't realise it, but we are extremely arrogant when it comes to our relationship with God. As Nico pointed out earlier, we're even able to believe that when we have an argument with God, we're going to win. Like, as if that is ever going to happen. It's never going to happen. You set yourself up in opposition to the universal creator. Do you think it's going to work out well? Now, most of us think it is going to work out well. That's how arrogant we've become. We think it's going to work out well.